If you've forgotten your NVR's password, don't worry, we'll guide you through the process step by step on how to access your password using the Swann Security app on your mobile device. Let's begin. Open the Swann Security app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, navigate to Live View mode. Look for the Devices button, which is represented by a cog icon. Tap on it. On the Devices screen, locate and tap on your NVR device. If you have multiple devices connected, select the device that you want to recover the password for. Tap on the password field. This action will trigger a security challenge on your mobile device. Depending on the capabilities of your device, you'll either be prompted to use your device's biometrics, such as fingerprint or face recognition, or you'll need to enter your Swann Security account password. Your NVR's password will be revealed. We hope this guide has been helpful to you, and thanks for watching.